Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and I'm coming to you from Mackay up in Queensland, far north Queensland, and I'm in a beautiful spot right here. As you can sort of see, there's coconuts up there, it's lovely. Hey guys, I don't know whether you've ever been to Mackay before, but it's a very sleepy place, very sleepy. Not a lot happens over here, and I've only found that out by the, I'm here seeing a friend, and I probably won't come back again, it's just too sleepy. But you know, I tried to hail a cab this morning. It took probably about 20 minutes to find a cab that would take me somewhere. So I don't particularly like, I like sleepy, I like relaxing and chilling out. I'm working a lot up here. I'm working on finding new products for myself for my Amazon store, but God, it's too sleepy. And this is the issue why I moved originally to Sydney, was I used to live up on the Central Coast. Not a lot happens up there either. And back then there was no work, so I had to move, right? I actually had to move. I was forced to move. Whereas guys, in the Amazon store, well, when you run your own Amazon business, or if you're selling online or importing from China, you can pretty much be anywhere in the world. You don't have to, if it's a sleepy city and you like that, well, hey guys, go ahead, stay there. You don't have to go somewhere. You don't have to go to Sydney or to move out and go to a bigger city to find opportunity, because opportunity is online. You can essentially run an Amazon store anywhere in the world, right? You could be anywhere in the world, as sleepy as it comes. You could even be in Mackay, right? but back in the old day, you know, like 10 years ago, if there wasn't much work opportunities, well, unfortunately, you had to move. You had to go somewhere where there was work opportunities. So what I'm saying, guys, is if you're in a sleepy town, or if you love being in a sort of a quiet place, like even the Gold Coast or Mackay or Cairns or Townsville, where it's not a lot of physical work opportunities, well, Amazon business might be a thing that might be perfect for you, because you can essentially run that anywhere in the world. It's exactly the same principles of finding good products, connecting with suppliers in Alibaba, and then listing those products on Amazon, all right? And you can be up here in, you know, beautiful coconut marina at the Mackay. I'm staying at the resort right here, so it's like, you know, you can be anywhere, and you can stay anywhere, and you can work from anywhere as long as you have your computer. All right, so guys, yeah, if you've been thinking about starting an Amazon business for a while, then check me out on the link below. We've got a video program. We've actually got a video series there, sort of walking you through the steps of finding products on Amazon and getting started. And if that's you, if you are looking to get something started this year on Amazon, the biggest thing holding you back potentially could be, you know, I don't know what products to bring in. I'm not too sure, you know, what products are hot or what products are winning. Then connect with us today, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.